Watch and subscribe.
Thank you.
Here we are in sunny Key West, right?
Yes.
We are on, do you even remember?
Actually, we're off Stock Island. We're straight out 4 miles off Stock Island.
And we are on West Key Barrier Reef.
Yes. We're on the West Key Barrier Reef.
And we are currently snorkeling out here. The water is unbelievable. You can see 50 feet straight
And you're
down.
going to see some footage with the GoPro in a minute.
Yes, all kinds of footage, all kinds of fish. This trip has been action-packed. We've swam with sea rays. We've caught a shark. We've found conch shells.
Yes, and you got some jellyfish.
Jellyfish.
All those bluefish. Oh my goodness.
All the bluefish. We're not experts here, so we don't have names. And just the absolute beauty of this water. Looks like a rainbow, almost like a rainbow of water out here. And I don't know if the camera will even do it justice. But if you want to have a wonderful vacation, come to Key West. Swimming through the area we're in, like I say, it's a barrier reef, so we're swimming in through the coral. You can't even anchor out here because it's just all coral. So they already have moorings out here. You just come up, find the mooring, put your snorkel gear on, and swim.
Yeah, we went way out, and dudes, I was scared. It just makes me nervous, and I'm like, get over your fear. I don't like being afraid of things like that.
You know, I told her, hey, you want to go skydiving and you won't swim in deeper water? So
it's the sharks.
I
don't know what it is. It's sharks or like, oh my gosh, you saw a barracuda.
Yes, I swam with a barracuda.
Which he's not afraid of any of that stuff.
Yeah, it wasn't bigger than me, so I know it's faster than I am, and you know, I looked a little fatty to him, so.
I'm surprised he didn't try to eat you.
Anyway, is there anything you wanted to cover?
No, it's just gorgeous here. We'll just, hopefully the picture will capture this color of water, the different colors of water.
Right. We love you. We thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please share with your friends. We need to get this channel going bigger and bigger, and
okay.
Anyway, thank you for watching, and like I say, like and subscribe and share with your friends, please.
Here's the water. You can, even the mainland is way out there, but I don't think you can see it unless I zoom in. We're 4 miles out on the reef here. And right next to us there's a charter boat. They're just pulling away. Sunset Water Sports. That's them over there. It's a blue sky today. Here's where we're docked up. And let's see if you could see the water even. That is very deep. That is deep water. It's about, what, how many feet right here? 40?
30 feet.
Yeah, about 30.
you up to, Trina?
Oh, we're gonna go get on the sailboat, get ready to go out downtown for a while. In Key West.
Downtown for a while. We're gonna give you a little tour on our walk. This is the marina we're staying in. We are on Stock Island Marina in Key West. Trina and I are thinking this may become a residence of ours for a while.
That's correct.
We are gonna
It is cool down here. The people are wonderful. The water is amazing.
oh, the clarity.
The clarity. Just, you can go snorkel all over the place.
They said when because of the storms that have came through lately, the water is a little bit murky, and normally you could see 50 feet to the bottom of the ocean. Right now it's a little hazy, almost could see the bottom.
Wow, we've seen a ton.
Oh, we've seen a ton.
I mean, sharks and we saw the sea ray, and we've seen the jellyfish. And what is that large tarpon?
Tarpon. And we've only been down here a couple days. We've just scratched the surface here. We've met a lot of neat people. It's just been amazing down here. We really do think we may sell our house back in Wisconsin and come down here for a year, two. Who knows? How long? How long do you think?
Well, at least give it a try.
We're at least gonna give it a try. Very damn expensive though.
Very expensive
to live here, but
so we'd have to try to figure out something. I don't know how we'll do it, but we're gonna crunch some numbers.
Yeah, might have to put her out on the street. No, I'm just kidding. We're gonna give you a quick tour of the sailboat
That we're staying on, and our walk down.
This is all the walk down to our small but nice little Catalina sailboat. I think it's a 34 foot
No, it's 30.
A 30 foot. So it is a small boat. This is not probably what we would do if we come down here, but nonetheless, we wanted to see what it would be to sleep on a boat in a harbor. If you haven't figured it out, we are water people. We have a boat.
Well, a lot of our videos haven't had water.
Yeah, well, we spent out in the West where there's a lot of lack of water, and the whole time there, we're jonesing for water. But if you notice, when we were out West, we went to water whenever we could. I'm gonna hand the old camera over to Trina so she can give you a quick tour, but here's the outside. I'm gonna do this real quick. It's the Lulu. She could give you a Lulu, yeah, Key West. She can give you the quick details. By the way, it's for sale if you want to buy it. There's the information for you. But anyway, it's I think she's correct. It's a 30 foot, might be 34 foot. I'm not sure. Single mast, Catalina. He's got some netting over here. Just try and keep the heat off of it. And you could look down there sometimes and see 4 or 5 foot tarpon, all kinds of fish. It's kind of hard to see with this camera, but we do got an underwater camera with a pole so my wife can operate it now, and she's looking forward to that. There she is, right there. Can you believe that I married a supermodel? I can't, but I did. Anyway, quick tour via my wife.
Okay, we're gonna go in. Are you ready? Something cool at the pool today. I'm gonna zoom in because it's really cool. And now Jayrod's gonna try to catch him.
You have to run. Yeah, I was trying not to. Come on, man, I got $5 and you'll catch it. Get it, you can run.
Get it! You can do it. Oh!
Yo, you got it, Come on.
Whoa! You got it!
Yank him out of there. Come on. It's on video, brother.
Oh
That's
no!
good bait.
His tail!
That's all right. They're going you up.
So I just woke up not long ago on the boat, and here is what I turned around, and here is this big bird right in front of me, and we both scared each other when I turned around. But here's the bird. I mean, beautiful. Look at this. She's right here in front of me. Okay, the crane is back and literally standing right next to me. This time we didn't spook each other. But look at this. Here it is, just standing here. Literally within 6 feet of me. Pretty crazy. Beautiful bird.
Give us a huge thumbs up.